No progress lost, just follow my instructions. Open Cat Gold Miner. So you're probably wondering what's going on with the new server update. Well, let me tell you, your progress is safe. But if you want to go back to the old server, here's what you gotta do. Click on Settings. Click on Change Server. Click on Confirm, and wait a few seconds until it loads. Now select the TON server. That's it! You'll be back to the old server in no time with all your progress still intact. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Join my Telegram channel for more upcoming and legit projects. Happy earning! If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.